From Rain to Snow, written by Eric Michaels. Precipitation. How much will it rain today? Is there a snowstorm on the way? Will it sleet? Why is it hailing? These questions are about precipitation. Precipitation is water that comes down as rain, hail, snow, or sleet. What causes precipitation? Sunshine warms the water in rivers, lakes, and oceans. The water turns into a gas called water vapor. The water vapor rises and forms clouds. When the air in the clouds has more water than it can hold, water falls from the clouds. It falls as rain, hail, snow, or sleet. Let's find out how this happens. The sun heats water and the water evaporates. Clouds, rain, water vapor rises, water, heat from the sun. Rain. Most rain begins as water droplets in clouds that are warmer than the freezing point, 32 Fahrenheit. The tiny water droplets come together. They get so heavy that they can't stay in the air. Then they fall as rain. Raindrops are different sizes. The bigger the raindrop, the faster it falls. This mountain in Hawaii is one of the wettest places in the world. It gets about 460 inches of rain a year. The top of the mountain is often covered in clouds. Hail. Hail forms when frozen water droplets move up and down in a thundercloud. As they move, they get bigger and bigger until they are lumps of ice. Then they fall as hail. Hailstones can be the size of peas or bigger than baseballs. In 2003, huge hailstones fell on Aurora, Nebraska. One giant hailstone was about 7 inches across and almost 19 inches around. The hailstone fell with great force. They left holes in lawns. One even went through a garage roof. A giant hailstone that fell in Aurora, Nebraska. Snow. Snow is made of ice crystals. The tiny crystals grow in cold clouds. They become snowflakes and fall to the ground. Snowflakes can be many different shapes. Some look like stars. Some look like needles. Others seem to have branches. It has snowed in almost every place in the United States. Even Hawaii, Florida, and the desert of Arizona have had snow. Sometimes snow falls in huge amounts. In 1921, up to 76 inches of snow fell in Silver Lake, Colorado, in only 24 hours. Sleet. Sleet is frozen raindrops or snowflakes that melt and refreeze in cold air. Sleet is hard and icy. Sleet is different from freezing rain, which is rain that freezes when it hits cold surfaces like roads or trees. Sleet bounces when it hits the ground. It makes a tapping noise that you can hear. In 1964, a sleet storm lasting 11 hours left 2 inches of sleet in the city of Boston, Massachusetts. At times, you'll want to know what kind of precipitation to expect in your own city or town. Will it rain, hail, snow, or sleet? To find out, you can watch a weather report on TV. The end.